Hey, wagwan. Welcome back to another video, you see me so. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take out the interior trim them from out on the BMW, you see me so. With that said, we'll just get straight into it. Alright, so the first piece we are focused on, up on the driver's side, you see me, which is the easiest piece to take out. So, you just want to use your hand, you see me, and try get underneath the trim and just take time easy forward. You see me? So this is the first piece, which normally people take out them interior trim for wrap it in a carbon fiber, which you can see for this piece right here, wrapping carbon fiber, you see me? So, and when you insert back this piece in, you just line it up. And drop right back here, you see me? That's the first piece. Boom. So, for this middle piece now, and this piece right here, you're gonna want like a interior trim tool, right? Which I'm gonna show you on screen right now. That one is the best one to use, you see me? But however, me not have that. So what I'm gonna use is a small flathead screwdriver, you see me? So I do this piece right here first. You see me? So it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but I'm gonna try. So you're gonna ease up this piece first. And you ease up that piece, you want to catch it in at the edge, like right here. You see me? So you're gonna use a flathead and get it underneath it. Try to get it underneath it. Right, so underneath it now, you just ease it up. And go right down with it. So we can show it now, look better. Boom, like we ease up now, you can use your hand. Let's take time to finish easing up. There, it's off. And you have one connection that connect to it. This is the connection right here, which you see still work. Right. And then normally what I use the flathead and disconnect it rather than my finger. So and this is difficult. So you disconnect the connection right there, you see me, and then if you notice, work back kind of, you see me. So once I disconnect this piece, once I disconnect the wire, you can't run up on the high drive, you see me. So when you put it on back, same thing you do. Alright, so for disconnect M3 screw here, because if you go wrap it or you do any work on this piece, you're going to want to take out this middle piece. You see me? This middle piece consists of the buttons. You see me? So this piece different from this piece. So you're going to take out this piece. So you want a star tool screwdriver. You see me? For take out M3 screw here. You see me? So comes a boom. Take out that screw there. Boom. Take out that screw here. Make sure you don't want to last them screw there. Right there. Take out there. Alright, so the 3 screw them out. So you can see 1, 2, 3. Boom. And then you turn it over. And you push it up. There. So you can see you have this piece. And then you have this piece, you see me? So that's how you take out that piece there, you see me? back. You just line it up. It in, and then you just put on the 3 screw them, and then you set. You see, connect it back. All you do, you connect back the wire. And you set. You can do the one on. Alright, and then you get the wire. And just insert it. Boom. And then as you can see on the eye joint now, it will work. And then you just take time and line it up back. And you check the edges. And you just press it in. And clip in now, yes. Boom. As you can see, it's in. You see me? And then on the IGI, you can see everything will work. Single piece, back button, everything will work. You see me? Alright, so now for the center console piece. So for the center console piece, you want to take your flathead screwdriver. You see me? And you want to like get underneath the trim tool and just take time, ease it forward. And get showing you this right now. So you push it like forward. You see me? So boom. And then you push it right here, so forward. You take time, go down from the other side. And then you roll along to this side. Roll along. And as you can see, when you do it, you feel it at ease up, right? When you feel it at ease up, now you can use your hand. Right, if you want to ease up some more, you can have to look on camera. You see me? You can try. I kind of have to look on camera, so man. Shut it up fast and circle back, you see me? So, it has to do with one hand, you see me? I use one hand and hold the camera, and the other hand and try to take it out, you see me? So, once you use the 2 hand, simple, you see me? As I'm say, what you gotta do? Boom, you use the flathead, get underneath it, pull it forward, go down, pull it forward, go down, pull it forward, go right down to the end, and on the other side, you pull it up like this, on the side there, pull it forward, pull it forward, pull it forward, and then you can use the 2 hand and pull it out. Boom. Come out, you can have 2 wire. You see me? You can have your indicator wire, which is this, which is right here. You see me? And then you have this wire right here. So you have 2 wire. This right here. And this right here, you see me? So, yeah, disconnect this wire. In order to disconnect this wire, you have to focus on this piece right here. You see me? Yeah, disconnect this part. So, see? Alright, I try to disconnect it. Alright, it have to disconnect with one hand. I'm gonna try. That'll give me some trouble. So, yeah, disconnect this real quick and circle back. Alright, so, as you can see, so disconnect that piece right here and disconnect from right here, you see me? And then you go focus on this connection right here, which unlock the door and put on the indicator light. You see me? As you can see. Right. So normally we do for this one right here, I normally push it out like forward. And then disconnect it, that way they're much easier, you see me? So I'll do this off camera because it's hard to do it with one hand. So I deal it and circle back. So as you can see, I disconnect the indicator light piece right here, which is this, and then I disconnect this piece right here. You see me? So there, now you have the interior trim. which means they already wrapping the carbon fiber, which I know the best wrapping, because right here, so as you can see, it do good. You see me, which you know my wrapping thing already. I'm not the best, but I try. You see me, so right here, so kind of do good. And when you reach down to right here, so you have like bubbles in it, and them thing there, you see it. But it's a learning process. You see me, so I'm just a try thing. You see me? So there, you have it out, and then I show you how to drop it in back. Yeah, so when you put it on back, you want to make sure say you connect back all of the connection there. So there, I connect back that piece right there. It's kind of difficult because this piece right here. So you want to push it out a little bit, connect it, and then push it up in the back. So like this. You see me? That much easier. So you have two connections right there. This connection and this connection, as I'm gonna say. You want to make sure you connect back in two pieces there. You see me? So I shut and connect back this and circle back. Right, you see me? So as you can see, boom. This connection right here connect and this connect. Boom, you want to make sure I check it. Indicator light at work. You see me? Open and close. Look at this button. That work, you see me? So after you don't know that now, you can fit it up back. So all you want to do, you want to make sure you line it up. You see me? Especially make sure you catch your end them down there. So you have some circle thing. Can see? Yeah, so them circle thing there, you want to make sure so they make them piece here catch inside like you see me? Definitely this can go do it one hand. So I'm going to deal with it on circle back. Boom, you have to come on the passenger side. But boom, you line it up. You want to make sure it shut in, you see me? So use the hand, where you knock, down here so, on the top piece, because the connection name, they're right here so, and on the top. So you want to make sure that them knock in, you see me? Push them in. And then, boom! You have in the interior panel back in, you see me? So which normally people take them out, wrap them. I mostly wrap them in a carbon fiber, you see me? But as you can see, it don't really look too bad. You see me? I just feel right here. But a bubbles, that means the ear the undied. So like if I juke it with a needle, the ear I will come out. You see me? So it not really too bad. You see me? But yeah. I don't know if I take off this silver piece right here. You see me? Which means it don't take off my one already. I never put on the clip them, so my one did. My one got easy to come off, so you get your flathead. Just easy, push it underneath it and ease it up. You see me? When you ease it up, you want to go more difficult to ease up because you have some circle thing on them piece here, right here. That clip it down, you see me? Which I never put on about the circle thing then. You see me? Because we just never put them on back, so you can easily go on and come off. You see me? So boom, you clip it on back. And you take out the circle piece and you clip them on back. And just align it up and rest it down. You see me? Which, because me now have on my clip them, it kinda shake. Well, not shake, but it no firm on it. You see me? I'm not getting a rattling sound and none of that when I drive. You see me? It's just easy to come off and go on back. You see me? I can use all my hand and take it off. You see me? So if you don't want to put it on back here, that's totally fine. If you want to put it on back, just put it on back the circle piece and then line it up and clip it in. You see me? Alright, so I hope you enjoy the video, you see me? So that practically wrap up today's video, you see me? So if you don't enjoy the video, you can hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up, you see me? So I'll catch you guys in the next video.